In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ChatGPT to Excel. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to bring AI assistance right into your spreadsheets so you can brainstorm text, summarize data, and streamline repetitive tasks without leaving Excel. This works in modern versions of Excel that support Office add-ins, including Microsoft 365 and the web version. Start by opening the workbook you want to use. On the Excel ribbon, look for the option that opens the add-ins store. Depending on your layout, it may appear as Get Add-ins or Office Add-ins, often found on the Insert tab. Click it to open the Add-ins window. This is the built-in marketplace where you can safely browse tools that extend Excel. If the store takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds. It's fetching content from Microsoft's catalog. Once the Add-ins window is open, use the search bar at the top and look for GPT for Excel, Word. This is the listing that integrates ChatGPT-style functionality directly into Office apps. When you see it in the results, select it to open the Details page. Here, take a moment to review the description, the publisher information, and any available ratings. This helps you confirm you're installing the correct tool and understand what it can do. When you're ready, click Add. Excel may show a brief permissions prompt explaining what the add-in can access, such as the current document context. Read that carefully, and if you're comfortable, confirm to proceed. After you add it, Excel will load the add-in and, in most cases, open a task pane on the side of your workbook. That pane is your control center. From here, you can typically enter prompts, generate or refine text, and apply results into selected cells. The experience may vary slightly depending on updates to the add-in, but the core idea is the same. Keep your flow in Excel while the AI helps with content and analysis. If your organization has specific policies, make sure you follow them and avoid entering any sensitive or personal data into prompts. That's all there is to it. Open the add-ins window, then find GPT for Excel, Word, and click Add. With just those two actions, you've brought powerful AI into your spreadsheet environment. As you start exploring, try it on copy drafting, quick summaries, formula explanations, and structured outputs that save you time. If you ever need to adjust settings or learn new features, check the Add-ins Help or About section from the task pane. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working smarter in Excel with ChatGPT at your side.